wahlangana nabo bani wahlangana nabo. You got all the shine in SA, they waiting for you. When you come back, literally when you come back, uzobuya wenze whatever. Last time you wanted me to join your dance challenge, I didn't want to, because I felt ukuthi nang exploit. I really felt ukuthi nang exploit. Because why? Why kumele kube kanjalo? I'm really tired. I'm really tired from these South African music pages. I'm really tired. Because they reflect as if they're pushing artists, and they're not pushing artists. They're actually pushing their own artists, and then they use your clout to get the numbers. I'm really tired. If there's no one who's gonna talk about it, I'm the one who's gonna talk about it. If it means which my career must end, then let it be. Let it be. But I'm not gonna stay around for bullshit like this. Every time I always support you guys. I've been making a lot of songs for you. And then mangizenza lengoma les for when. Mangizenza lezo ngoma lezo for nina ne. Ngiyazenza lezo ngoma for nina. You guys get excited. You take the song. You leave the country with it. Uyahamba uthola abantu ababhethe abazojayivela. Bafike bajive, bayenze whatever, because that's your image. I understand, which is I support. But now return the favor. You don't return the favor. You treated me like I'm your family, but actually I'm not your family. This is like more like a mafia game to you. I'm really tired. And if nina ngicabanga ukuthi ngizothula ngale ndaba le, I'm not going to keep quiet. Ngale ndaba le. Why every time I'm an artist was a South Africa piano, they get to their peak, they go down. Every time they're on their peak and then they go down. They're on their peak and then they go down. It always happens with every amapiano artist. They go up, down. They go up, down. You understand? Why is that? We are being exploited, guys. For real. And I'm not going to sit around and watch this whole bullshit happening. If you can go on my TikTok, I post my songs. I want to see which song is going to be the biggest song after. But like the way things are going, people are liking the song. And then there's these pages. They always come in between my way. And then they say, nah, we're not going to post PC right now. We're not going to post PC until as a pelelo moya. I'm really tired. For real. I'm really tired. Sisebenza kanzima for le life le. Sisebenzela kanzima, guys. Sisebenzela kanzima. Slali. As much as nisibona sijiva at the end sekumnandi. It wasn't easy. As much as ngu PC lo nguye right now, but mangenza ingoma, it's not an easy task. To make a song is not an easy task. You work hard for it, bro. And to tell you, bro, like if you're watching then, I just want to tell you that I'll make it with or without you. I will. Trust me.